Imagine. Today, belts are such a normal part of our lives that we rarely think about how humans first came up with the idea of wearing something around the waist. Today, a belt holds up our pants, keeps our clothes in place, and sometimes it is simply part of our outfit. But thousands of years ago, when there were no zippers, no buttons, and no modern clothing, what did humans tie around their waists? And the most interesting question, why did people start using belts in the first place? The answer to this question takes us back almost 5,300 years. In 1991, a discovery was made in the icy mountains of the Alps that changed our understanding of ancient human clothing. A human body found preserved in the ice, Ötzi, the Iceman. He was a Copper Age man who lived approximately 5,300 years ago. His clothes and many of his belongings were also remarkably preserved in the ice alongside his body. And among those belongings was something we can still recognize immediately today, a belt. But it was nothing like the leather belts we use today. Ötzi's belt was made from calfskin. It was about 4 to 5 centimeters wide and approximately 2 meters long. But the story does not end there, because Ötzi did not use this belt only to hold his clothing around his waist. A small leather pouch was also attached to it, meaning it was not just a belt. It was also a kind of small utility belt. Archaeologists found several things inside that small pouch. There was tinder fungus, which could have been used to help start a fire. There was also a scraper, a boring tool, a bone awl, and a small piece of flint. Today we keep keys, phones, and other essential items in our pockets. Ötzi did not have modern pockets, but he had a small pouch attached around his waist, and inside it were things he may have needed for everyday tasks. But the belt was not only used for carrying things. If we look at Ötzi's clothing, the role of the belt becomes even clearer. The garment worn around his lower body was secured with the belt. The upper parts of his leggings were also attached to the belt, and the belt may also have helped keep his coat closed, because there were no clear signs of another fastening system in his clothing. So one simple object was doing several jobs: holding clothing in place, keeping things attached to the waist, carrying essential items, and helping keep the body covered in the cold mountains. But was this the world's first belt? Here, we need to be a little careful. We cannot say that Ötzi was the first person in the world to wear a belt, because leather, grass, and other organic materials can easily disappear over thousands of years. So it is possible that humans used leather straps or other materials around their waists even earlier. But Ötzi's discovery shows us something remarkable. Around 5,300 years ago, humans were already using a belt as a practical tool. And it was not just there to keep clothing around the waist. Now imagine, you are walking along a mountain trail. You have no backpack, no modern bag, and your clothing does not have the kind of pockets we have today. You need something to help start a fire, you need small tools, and you also need to keep your clothes secure. So what is the most useful place on your body? Your waist? Tie a leather strap around it and attach a small pouch to it. Now your hands are free. You can carry your essential items with you while walking. Maybe that is why something as simple as a belt became so useful. Today's belts and belts from thousands of years ago are very different. Today, our belts can be made from leather, synthetic materials, or other modern materials. They have buckles. And sometimes they are simply fashion accessories. But Ötzi's belt reminds us that some parts of clothing were not created just to look good. They were born out of the need to survive, a simple strap tied around the waist, and slowly it became something that helped hold clothing, carry belongings, and make everyday life easier. So the next time you fasten your belt, take a moment to think. Around 5,300 years ago, in the icy Alps, a human was also walking around with a leather belt tied around his waist. His belt was not modern. It did not have a buckle, but its purpose may have been very familiar, keeping essential things with him and keeping his clothing in place. And perhaps that is why something as simple as a belt is still with us thousands of years later.